Oh, we're getting some nibs now. Oh, that was a decent nib. Oh, big zing. We're on here. Huge zing. Massive. This is huge. Gotta let him run. I might get something back now. Oh my goodness. He's running still. Oh, you're gonna have to play our cards very right here. Huge zing, absolutely monster. You would have heard that. Ho ho! Please, let's land this boy. There's a lot of weight there. Tighten the drag ever so slightly. Not really getting line back at the moment. It's mega windy out there. Gonna have to tighten the drag slightly. It might be snagged. Could just be a very big boy. Let the line loose for a second. Get our strength back. We've been pulled in behind reef for sure. I don't want to. Oh no. Will this be a bust off? Yes, got him off. Oh, he's still rolling. We got him off the reef. I'm stoked. Oh, it's big head shakes. Jeez, he's still got such a way to go. This guy took us probably another 50 to 100 meters out. Not putting up too much fight now, but the weight is ridiculous. Does not want to come in. He's trying to bust us off. Can we get this bad boy in? Still big head shakes. Got to be really careful now. Not far now. Still can't see what we've got. It's a shark. Bloody hell, did he fight? He fought his absolute ring off. He is powerful though. The power on this guy, man. That was absolutely nuts. You're gonna have to come in with me, mate. You are a fat boy. Wow. You're massive, man. So much power to you, bud. Jesus. Tide coming in. No, I don't want you going on your friggin'. That's how I want you. There you go. It was easier than I thought. Let's get you back in the water, big boy. Wow. There you go. Woo! Alright, we're back in business. It is windy. But, done this before. Let's give it a thrash. Trying to send some long baits. I'm trying to see if there's anything in close. Here we go. Cheers for tuning in. We're on for drop one. Might be the only one we get. There she goes. See, there's plenty of flies around. We're getting like 18 to 20 knot gusts at the moment. Fingers crossed. Haven't seen any fish jumping out of the water in close, but doesn't mean they're not there. We're out. We've got a drone bait out in pretty windy stuff. About 18 knots. Certainly uses a bit more battery that way. Having to fight the wind, etc. It's handling it like a trooper, really. I don't know if that was a nib. We burleyed up. Thanks to the old mate's secret formula, we've got a drone bait out with some fantastically donated baits. So, mate, what more do I want? The legends just keep legending. There's a fair bit of seaweed out there, but seem to be navigating it for now. I want to get another muley out. I'm glad the wind's up in a way from the flies perspective, otherwise the flies could be horrendous. This just looks like really good ground. And we'll see if we can hit anything today or not. Certainly if we still had the normal drone, there would be no way we were getting out today. The old drone, that is. It's far too windy for it. Just freak out. Industrial fishing drones, well, they eat 15 to 20 knots up, mate. We're in the water with the Taylor / mulloway bait as well. Let's see if we can feel any bites. Ooh, I thought I saw something just move out of the water then. We can kind of sit on this one, see if we can feel any bites while we're waiting for the drone one to go off, if it goes off at all. But make sure you keep your drag loose as well if the big boy comes along, mate. There's still a bit of weed out there. Well, the baits are getting smashed. Pulverized, in fact, so let's send another one. See if we can gauge what kind of fish it is, because I got a good bite then, so could be bream, could be hezzers. If it's hezzers, we'll definitely change up to a hezzer rig. So I've just gone the triple snouts. Old faithful for me these days. 3 nice hooks in sequence. Fish are hungry, mate. They'll eat anything. Ooh, thought that was a bite then. Was that something having a crack? Rod bent, but for what reason? Oh, we're onto something. We've got something on here. Whoa. We're kicking. Yes. Good to get a bite. Bit like a stingray though, so. Oh! Something just had a monster bite in close too. At the same time. Oh, we're on. What are we going to do here? Both rods are on. I think we'll have to leave the drone one for now. We've got something on here too. Both rods going off. How am I going to handle both at once? I'm only going for this one because it's in close. What was that, seaweed? Just seaweed. But that was a big bite. And we're still on here. Now, was that weed that just bit my line, or was that actually a decent fish? Both rods going off at the same time. It's a bit crazy, isn't it? Look at that sky. Said it before, I'll say it again. Favourite time of the day. What have we got here? A bit like a ray. I reckon he might be still on. Geez, did he have a good run though? Alright, I'm going to have to sit that there and hold him there so I can get another muley. And send that. Yeah, he's still on. Oh, he's definitely still on. This is crazy. Oh, has he got off? I hope not. Oh, he still feels on. Just want to land him. Can't believe he put the rod down twice. But yeah, she'll be right. So we can get the mulleray rod back out. But man, was that a big bite. Could have been a nice tailer. If that rod buckles, we're gonna have to go get it again. Especially if it zings. Oh, you know how much we love zings, mate. Geez, that one of Tony's. A ripping zing that was. I wonder if we missed the opportunity in close there, because that was a huge bite. This ground looks very good. Yellowtail. Yellowtail scad did the job. Understandably, no one wants to be out in this bloody wind. But we're crazy enough. Now, I'd expect the tiny fish to be stealing that muley. Arms of Canaan again. Little nibs on the muley. Love this to be a lovely demersal. How much would foam? But mate, this is so much fun, you know, just getting out to these spots. Bit of fresh air, bit of sun. Feels sharky. Felt like there was a bit of line getting wrapped around him then. Oh, what have we got here? Shark? Yeah, shark, I think. He has got some serious size to him. This could be another PB. And we just got one. How am I going to land this guy? Whoa. He's trying to death roll me. You little beauty. And he ate so little. Woo! Hey mate. Wow. That is a decent sized shark. You are a monster. I think you're probably too big to take with me. I'm not going to be able to carry you. Oh man, what a fight though. Beautiful bronzy. Look at that. Huge tail on him. So that is a decent bronzy. We've definned him, gutted him straight away. He'll make the dinner plate for some awesome fish and chips. Yeah, definitely bronzy, if prepared right. Is very nice. Got me hooks back. Bit me off. 200 pound. It does look like I bought one. Fantastic. Thanks for tuning in. Absolutely stuffed after that one. We'll be back another time. Cheers guys.